Now don't hate me, but now we're going to teach you how to graph a logarithm without using the inverse of the exponential function. It's good to know cheaters' way of doing things, right? Even if it is after you've struggled. So, with this newfound wisdom we have about how to rearrange that equation, we can now, instead of going 4 to the power of y equals x, so then I go 4 to the power of x equals y, and then flip the values y for x, that's supposed to be an arrow. We don't have to do that anymore, so this is the old way to do it. To graph a logarithm, we would recognize the pattern, we would switch them, then we would just switch the points back and forth. That's the old way. The new way is to go, I know that if I have a logarithm, I can put log of x over log of 4, so that y equals log x over log 4. The base doesn't matter, so I can use base 10 as long as the base is the same. That's why this pattern is beautiful, because now I can just put some brackets around here and put it directly into my calculator. So, let's see how that works. Now, just going to clear that. Okay, we're at y1 equals, now, log, x divided by log 4, and graph. Oh, remember we didn't reset the window. Let's reset the window to -10 and 10 the way we did before. Now how do I know that's the right graph? Ooh, I know. I can go to y equals, and I can make it 4 to the power of x. And graph that. And if it's inverse to this line, it's inverse to this line. Oh, that's so fancy. Look, I can even go to second function table, and I can see some points here. And I've got a 1 and a 4 here, and a 4 and a 1 here, which means that they are indeed inverse of each other. So, back to the graph again. You just learned how to graph a logarithmic function that does not have base 10 simply by rearranging the formula and making it log base 10 over log base 10.